So thank you so much, nice mom. You're doing a great job.
Okay,
Like today, I saw you gifted Ayamara a
Hello,
guys.
guys.
I won't be left. I won't be left behind.
It's okay. It's
Yeah.
okay. It's
Hi,
okay.
thank you for
guys.
supporting nice mom. We love you.
I am also only Mawira.
Well,
Thank you, mom.
guys, you young guys, be organized. Or I bring a cane.
No, please, teacher, don't.
Okay.
Teacher, please don't.
Okay, finish fast.
Hello, guys.
So, guys, it is my turn now. Please, teacher, don't bring the cane.
Guy, this guy, is it because of the cake? Okay.
I want to say thank you first. The first day when I was here, you were one of those people that welcomed me.
Let me say goodbye to someone and then come back.
Hello, family. Welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, I'm Nice Mom. Guys, thank you so much. I'm so happy for those who are watching my videos, and also I'm so excited about the old and also the new subscribers. Thank you guys for pushing me. Thank you for supporting me. I'm so humbled. So I just wanna go give my surprise. Okay, guys, you know, a surprise is a surprise. Yes. At times you can have something, maybe you want to surprise somebody, you want to give a gift, and maybe you feel that that thing is very small, but maybe to that person it is a very special thing, and maybe this person needed that thing. So whenever, okay viewers, whenever you have something you feel like blessing somebody, just bless that person, because you never know how that thing is going to be important to that person. So after I took a thought, and then, you know, at times you look at the need, yeah, and at times maybe you cannot know the need, you just feel in your spirit that I should give this person this thing. So I just felt in my spirit that the surprise or the present that I'm going to give that person is very special, and I know he's going to use it, guys. So I'm heading to the place. Look at my background. Okay, the farms are very green. You can see, okay, most of the farms, the crops have been, people have been weeding, and it's like almost all the farms are done. So guys, when you look on this side, you'll realize even this one. So they are just waiting for rain, so that maybe the crops may come up. So thank you so much. Continue watching the video until the end, guys. Subscribe, hit the notification bell. Remember to give your comments so that I can know the things that you want me to show you in our village. So kindly comment. All comments are welcome here, guys, because I know that for somebody to come from one level to another, you need some people that can support, maybe criticize, and also maybe make some corrections, so that this person may come maybe from one glory to another. So thank you so much for the support. I'm so excited, guys. I'm so happy. I know it is not easy, but guys, push me to 1,000 subscribers. Kindly. So push your mom. Push your mom, guys. I'll be very happy. So as I was saying that, you know, you can give somebody something that maybe according to you it is not new, and maybe you can see that this thing is already used, but you can you can realize that to this person this thing is very new. That is why I always encourage that if you have some things in your house that maybe you're not using them, to someone else they are very useful, yeah. And if you are in a position to maybe buy somebody something that is new, the better. But don't despise. If you have something, you just bless this person, yeah. You'll never know, yeah. Like, you know, our parents, maybe when we give them, I wish my parents were there. I wish my parents were there, guys. So you can maybe bless your parents with something that you are using, and then you no longer use it. but to this parent it will look new, and this parent is going maybe to say a blessing upon your life, and you're going to receive more things. So that is why it is good to be a blessing to the lives of people. And also I always encourage people, when you have something that you're not using, kindly give it to someone else. Yeah. And then maybe when you feel you want to bless somebody with anything, if at all you want to buy it, so you just buy it and bless this person. Thank you guys. Continue watching the video until the end. Thank you so much for your support. Aki, you've taken me somewhere that in fact I cannot believe. Yeah. For the first time I was really struggling. Getting subscribers is not easy. Getting somebody maybe setting is or a time to watch your video is not easy. Yeah. Getting somebody who is supporting you in as much as maybe you're not posting good videos, there are errors here and there, but you have to appreciate these people because they take their time and watch your video. So guys, I'm so excited, I'm happy. Continue watching my videos, guys. Yeah, watch them until the end, so that I can get that watching hour. I always promise that I'll try posting videos. I'll try, guys. At least I'll be making if not 2, 3, I'll be posting 2 or 3 videos in 1 week. So guys, thank you so much. Continue watching the video until the end, guys. And this white one?
Yeah, I've seen it. Hi, this is Mom Nice, or Nice Mom.
Yeah, Nice Mom, it's okay.
Yeah, and Vicky Mugambi. Please subscribe to her channel. It's called Nice Mom.
Yeah.
If you're watching from my channel, it's Nairobi, Kenya by Vicky Mugambi.
Exactly. Kindly give you show her love. Yes. Also. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. She's a visitor in our village, and we like visitors.
This village is beautiful.
Yeah, Aki, Vicky,
yes.
Welcome.
Yes.
Yeah. I'll make sure you eat everything.
Aki.
That area, so long as you promise to stay around.
I will stay around.
Okay.
And I will go and I will carry everything in Nairobi and come back here in this village.
Okay,
yes.
Thank you so much.
Okay. Very nice people, very good. Just a few meters from Tanzania. So sijui nivuke boda nene nipigie stamp.
You want to go there?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. You'll have some good time. You know, okay, when you're going there, they're very strict, so you'll have to have those. And then there's something about yellow fever.
Oh yeah, I do have.
Yeah,
I have
okay.
yellow fever.
Then that is okay. So welcome to our village. Okay, so far, what have you?
So far, so good. I have learned a few things, like there's different types of sand. There's one for making bricks, and then there's one for for now doing plast and everything else.
At least you've learned a new thing, yeah?
I have also, what else did I learn? I learned something else today. And then they always say hi. Shikamo, shikamo,
Yeah,
shikamo.
you like it, yeah?
Shikamo, shikamo. Shikamo, shikamo.
Okay,
Yes.
I know you learned so many things. And then I'll be teaching you how to greet people.
Yes.
There are so many types of
Greetings, yeah? Because sometimes they speak and I don't understand. I'm like,
Yeah. In this community, if at all you're not greeting people, then you are a bad person. That is why you're seeing even the small kids say, shikamo, shikamo, shikamo. In fact, they can come to your burial because you used to greet people. Not because you have anything. So people ask, was this person greeting people? When you say yes, then people
so greeting is very important in this
very
village,
important.
yeah?
In this community, exactly, yeah.
Wow. And then something else I've noticed about this community, they speak very good Swahili. Let me say goodbye to someone and then come. Oh, yeah. So please remember to subscribe to
Nice Mom
and to Vicky Nairobi, Kenya by Vicky Ngambi. Bye.
We love you. Thank you.
So hi guys, my name is Lynette_KE. Welcome back to Nice Mom's channel. She's doing really amazing videos, guys. Kindly support her, kindly share her video, and also leave a comment. Let her know what you think about her channel and also her videos. So today we are here. We're so much privileged to be here at Ayamara's place. As you can see, the villa is right
behind,
here, sparkling. You see? So we are actually manifesting and like
manifesting. That is the right word.
The right word, yeah? Oh, thank you. So guys, kindly you can also check me out as Lynette_KE. Kindly guys watch my videos. I also do very amazing videos. Like for today's guys,
make sure
go search for Lynette_KE and watch my videos. So thank you so much, Nice Mom. You're doing a great job. Like today I saw you gifted Ayamara like it was a thoughtful gift, guys.
In fact, I thought it. Okay, I don't know. It just came in my spirit and then in my mind and then action. I did it.
Oh my!
Yeah.
It was a thoughtful gift. Like you see, by the way, people usually walk in and out without even knowing who walked in during this time, who walked out during this time. But bringing that book, it will manage. You know, even if something bad happened to somebody, like let's call him K. K walked into this home at what time? At this particular time. And then what happened? So you see, this book is gonna help. You see, when something is recorded, they say that when something happened, when it's documented, it happened. But if it was not documented, it didn't happen. So thank you so much, Nice Mom.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, in fact, okay, I just thought about it. Okay, apart from maybe people coming in and going, okay, for security purposes. But I also thought that, okay, maybe Marwa cannot have all the details of people who comes maybe to his home. So maybe when people write their names there and their contacts, then he'll be able to follow it. Even in some years to come.
Real, he will be able to track the record. Like I have Lynette_KE. Oh, let me go and search her. Let me see how she's progressing. Oh, it's a nice.
Okay,
welcome.
Happy to meet my mom here.
Okay, thank you. I'm their mom, guys.
Nice mom in this village. So I'm the one who cook here at Marwa place. So guys, support my mom here. And don't forget my channel. I'm a new one, guys.
I like your confidence.
Bye bye, guys.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you. I'm glad to be on your channel, Nice Mom. Guys, I'm on Nice Mom channel. Kindly check her out at Nice Mom, and I'm so happy that you've graced my occasion. Thank you so much for coming. I appreciate you and I love you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you for the love.
Hello guys, it's your girl Franco May from East Africa, Kenya. Franco May.
Okay.
Yeah, from Kenya. I really love being here. This is my first time being here, and I came with my elder sister Queen Nancy. Much love. Thank you for hosting me on your YouTube channel.
Thank you, Nice Mom.
Thank you, Nice Mom.
Dark.
Is it so that? Guys, this is Makena Joy here, and this is Nice Mom YouTube channel. Thank you so much for hosting us, and we really love your content. Keep doing what you're doing, and yeah, in case you need us to do anything for you, we are here for you, Mom. And yeah, thank you for hosting.
You know why
us.
I'm laughing? There's somebody behind me. It's okay, just continue.
Redeemer for sehemu.
Okay, continue.
Cake is not vegetable.
Yeah.
It is German.
Yeah. So guys, I'm a content creator as well. I hope you support me. I try uploading nice content, amazing content, and support Nice Mom. Makena Joy.
Hey, young beautiful lady. Yeah, thank you.
Hello
I
guys.
won't be left behind.
It's okay. It's okay. It's
Hi,
okay.
thank you for supporting Nice Mom. We love you. I am also only Mawira.
Well, guys, you young guys, be organized. Or I bring a cane.
No, please, teacher, don't.
Okay. Okay, finish fast.
Hello guys, welcome to Nice Mom channel.
Yeah.
It's your girl here, Chef Claire _1. Guys, please support Nice Mom. Support me too, guys. Our chef, you know, and yeah.
Okay,
Run
it is
to 1K.
Yeah, thank you. It is proper to make noise because they are growing. Yeah.
So guys, it is my turn now. Please, teacher, don't bring the cane.
Guy, this guy, is it because of the cake? Okay.
I want to say thank you first. The first day when I was here, you were one of those people that welcomed me here.
And then I talk to you
And
nicely.
you wanted to make sure that I'm okay.
Yeah, and I want you to be your mother.
Yes,
you
ma'am.
remember?
And I appreciate that so much.
Okay.
So I am Royal Kim and I'm also on the Mawira. I am.
We look together.
Yeah.
We look alike.
So and the Kim is KHEEM. Please go and support me and support on the Mawira. Support our mom here, please. Support her.
Okay, thank you. Mawira, say something.
Hi, thank you, Team Nice Mom. We love you. Thank you for supporting our mom here. She's doing an amazing work. Actually, guys, let me tell you, YouTube is not easy. Whoever says like YouTube is easy, it's not easy. It's not
It is not vegetable.
So we have to be dedicated.
Redeemer for
We
Sehem.
have to do a lot of work. And putting out videos is not easy. So we appreciate. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the support. Please subscribe to her YouTube channel. Support her. As if you wish to support me, my YouTube channel is only Mawira. Only Mawira. MAWIRA.
Thank you. I'm so excited. Marwa has received my gift, guy. I'm so happy. Guys, I'm so excited. So thank you so much for giving me support and watching my video. Until next time, guys. Bye.